important. 988 was a policy that was passed years ago for, emergency situations, for mental health.
Is that the 50, that, what do they call it, the 5052, or the one where they can lock you up?
No. You can call 988 if you're having a mental health crisis.
Okay, so there's a number that you can call, 988 on your phone if you're and you can speak to somebody immediately.
Yes. So, and I put all these resources on my website with Outside the Box, which we haven't talked about yet. But there's so many resources out there. But I didn't know anything about anything, Jeannie. I didn't know about policies and I thought, in order to write this book, I have to educate myself. So I was looking up, okay, what's this policy? And, did it pass? It goes to the House, the Senate. Well, it seemed like it goes to the House. It's a great idea for a mental health policy. And then everybody went on vacation. And I'm thinking, don't you have, family members, grandparents, anybody who's, struggling with their mental health? You want to see this as a priority? And I see that the great idea never passed. What happened?
And then it just was done.
It's done, yeah.
So now someone has to start this all over again?
Yes, but new things are coming up, are taking place, yeah. But it's such an interesting thing when you dive into what's going on with policies. And
is it consistent throughout the United States, or do you see, what kind of variations do you see? For mental health and how it's treated, in the schools and on the streets and
Well, let's see. On the streets, we have a huge, massive homelessness issue.
In the entire United States. There's no place that's got it right.
No, it's not everywhere in the United States, and I'm not educated on everywhere in the United States, but I've traveled to New York. It's gotten worse since COVID. If all you have to do is talk to cab drivers, people on the subway, anyone, they'll say, well, when COVID hit, people were evicted. And they came home and their belongings were on the street. And then suddenly we had more homeless people. And so there's New York. Then there's Oakland, massive. San Francisco, there's so many issues we need to work out that I wish people that were affluent, that had time on their hands, that were passionate about doing good in the world would put some of their energy and their finances and towards that.